guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Something serious to see our vibrant, supposed to be men coming on air to rant like women every day, not having the focus, a directed focus of the things that will bring input to make us to be much more better as the less privileged race on planet Earth. Instead, you give the white people much more avenue to look us to be not getting it. And we can never get it. With the way people like Atiti behaves on the cyberspace, people like Ibizugbe behave on the cyberspace. What is this nonchalant attitude about saga? Stars, followers. Stars make someone to be crazy? Does stars or followers make someone not to know the rationale behind the reason why he or she came to Europe? And it baffles me as well that among this whole thing that is not right, there are some people there propelling them, telling them that they are doing well by giving them stars, pressing love and like into these dirty programs that don't have anything, plus the African race. For the black race, if I may use that word, the black race, because in Africa we have the northern part of Africa, which are the people from the Sahel region. It baffles me how we come to this all-time low. If I'm giving this kind of broadcast, people will not be here to spread it out. How can somebody wake up one morning every day shouting from his bed to the point of contact where he wants to go and get something to put food into his stomach, shouting? People will be there. All this is all shenanigans. It's not helping Africans. It's not helping us. So let me buttress, make her calm down. Atiti not to help us. Atiti is not helping us. I'm just doing this broadcast because I just feel, I've heard their nonsense over the hours. I've been working 9 hours since 1 o'clock. I just closed around 11:30. Quickly, tell them, these are all bullshit, not making Africa to grow, nothing productive when they produce about Africa. You were there for Europe, Atiti. I don't even expect much from you because the day you lie for my head, and I don't say you be bad, you be pathological liar. Johnny Ibizugbe, you should know better. Even though you go support Atiti, say the lie Atiti put for my head, not truth. But me and my God don't say a lie. But the cane of God, the flog of now. This is not right. This is not the reason for now. This is just the low, the all-time low. You guys should wake up from your slumber. Who they come, they watch you and say, make them this follow of una. Stars, and they find stars. Mumu go there for America. It pains me that I never thought at this 2023 we still have some idiot illiteracy in Europe here that came through the Mediterranean Sea or whatever, through the channel in Morocco. Yeah, a channel between Morocco and Spain, so close. We come to talk to people in God's own country, begin to bring out their pictures unnecessarily. I saw the kind of pictures we are all bringing out. This is all bullshit. It's not called for. This is the height of insanity among you people. Just go to people's Facebook page because of stars. You bring out people from their privacy, begin to rubbish them because you want money. I heard that he say he's gonna. You know what you say. You are going to be found wanting, felony, blackmailing. Read my lips. You're going to be found wanting on felony, blackmailing, that is going to pay you millions. You've never made money on Facebook. You've never made money on Facebook before. Ignorance. Ignorance. The ignorance of Atiti, it baffles me. Who are the audacious that they claim they follow Lolo, that will be there to support this recalcitrant bench woman? Every day, consume news and lies of people said every day. Call yourself a native doctor. Revive yourself and get yourself conscious first before you come to address people. You can never be there. Seriously. I've been with you. I know you. You can never get it right. Never will you get it right. Just bring that picture of people begin to sing a dirty meeting song. They cast aspersion on people's character. What was that bullshit all about? The people go, they call you, they tell you, say you do well. Your Iyowa Atiti, I tell you, I hear your Iyowa call you today. Make a son and wait to you. I should say you have bring people picture out. Let me warn you once again. This is Andrew Mokuma speaking. Let me warn you once again. Your Iyowa, I know him. All the pictures, a Peking picture, all of them, they with me. That your Iyowa, should they call this woman Proud Mom for Germany? Should they call Chubo Mama? I know her voice well. Not be say person tell me I know her well. I know her past the back of my hand. I should they bring people picture now, they call people. If me say I want, I just carry the picture, give Ibizugbe take. Beat Atiti Yowa. Ibizugbe know am. The same time I tell no one way PFM. You they bring people picture out. She they call you, stop want to tell you say this evil they do make you stop her. They prepare you to much greater evil. May I not call your name? This woman for UK. Now UK you did. I know so you did UK. You were explained before, but the way they prepare it, I don't like them. Don't push me. I think you just go to people what they bring people pictures. Come on. First, Ibizugbe based on family. Don't bring innocent people. Ibizugbe is not my friend. But if you get beef with Ibizugbe, not bring innocent people to this game. But all of them put together, if I may summarize, it's all evil. There's no need to put anybody picture. Make una battle myself if not the craze, not the gaga. Not don't mad, but to me, it's all madness, insanity of the highest order. Really men don't think the way. Me, I don't go work since I consider gonna find people picture. Because they put on Facebook, what it concern with people picture. Idleness, illiteracy. The ease of illiteracy and idleness, the damage they cause, damages that it causes is so high. It's so high. That's the problem of Atiti. Atiti is a man that I know will come and fabricate stories. He go fabricate stories because you did lie, like the way lie from my head. Atiti, have you come out to come prove to the world say the thing you talk on my head say na lie or not truth? Come and prove it. No run. I give you warning. Say, come and talk before I go. That your okuta where you just did it, go to stand. It not go save you because you be liar. In as much as I'm concerned, where you did, if a lot of people they follow you, Odeshi, whatever, where Ibizugbe they threaten, I'm not a party to that. But the fact remains that Atiti is a confirmed liar. That one I know, 100%. I think they lie from both sides of him, matter when he don't curse. Because he just want to get relevance. Just say as a mumu, so now so everybody mumu. I don't take you serious, Atiti. Seriously. I don't take you serious anymore. I used to console you in your weakest moment to prepare you to the next level. I never knew that you're so inconsistent you can come out. Look at just the backlash. The conflict with the committee, they call Ibizugbe, make it come out picture, make it come. Fight them if you feel fight Ibizugbe. But I cannot stoop so low when they fight all this guy that's a game. What do they do? These are not the reason of the season for this business of Facebook. Come up with intellectual ideas. Talk about Niger. Talk about Burkina Faso. Talk about something else. All of them just did there. Just what you don't have, you cannot give. Just come, they bring picture, bring people picture, they carry people meeting, they come they sing. People will still they tell you, say they do well. What has gone wrong with the black people? You now say the leadership are bad. Atiti just go to somebody, Facebook, you not see Ibizugbe, mama, papa, make you bring call, say Ibizugbe, bring your brother. You bring innocent people come because you are a coward. You felt you've been defeated. They drag innocent people and come. They come. Black person they find a defense. If they start the war for Niger now, they just carry innocent people we don't know. When I go there, when I first take the first bullet. That's what you do in Atiti. Now what you do? You're not a fighter. When they fight with truth, you're not fighting with truth. I don't know you finish. You are not fighting with truth. If I put my word on the line, so I go sit down, talk camera from my face, I go just beat you with points. You don't fight with truth. A coward fight with innocent people head. Why don't you beat them with truth? The other day you tell us, say, you want to grow your page to 6,000. You can't tell us people from Manchester where they will give Frank Victor information. That we didn't see. Your Iyowa nothing tell you say. Now what you tell people when they follow you, now your page hang for 3,000, you not move again. Don't you see it's all based upon lies? Be truthful for once and stop fooling yourself that you're a native doctor of whatever repute, of whatever inconsequential reasoning which are not in the position to really comprehend if you are sane or insane right now. Actually tell you my state of mind. This is my state of mind for you because you don't have it. You can never have it. Ibizugbe is not my friend. He used to be. He himself don't stab me many times. But on this basis of whatever, 12 una, I class all of una for one basket. Make una get una self right. Make una get una sense of reasoning. Very, very right. This is not right. This is not good. You know, they go every morning. I wake up, see 12 una, they zwar. I say, what did they happen? These men. These people now men. Now men be this. Men were supposed to think how to make bar. There's a war coming to Nigeria. Coup, revolution in Africa. None of them fit talk put. And our followers are not even helping issues. They don't share brilliant ideas, brilliant stories. They share nonsensical ideas, idiotic ideas. Saga. How do you encourage people to talk? Maybe I don't come back from work now. I just sit tired. But I say, make I chip in because I'm relentless. I'm always focused. Always believing in what I believe in. Not to be deviated by fools. In the majority of fools, I choose to remain standing with the same idea. Let me repeat myself again. I said, in the majority of fools, I choose to remain sane, standing. Among the congregation of fools, and they prepare evil ideas. Atiti will come every morning. They consult nuisance with their advice. Advise yourself. Put yourself right. Go and work. Get yourself peace. And stop hunting for money on Facebook. You must have a precedence. There must be something you've done to say your story they clear before you come step on Facebook. Our people are so sympathetic, stupidly. They'll come to the talk, hey, it is better than to beg, not to thief. What make you come up for Africa? Go beg for Lagos or go one Muslim mosque for Apapa. Go the beg there. Now you go to the land of opportunity, you are still begging. It then means there's something wrong with you. How can you be begging in Europe? People beg, they know they talk. They go dodge, come out. You come for Facebook, they tell you better beg. If they're not, that means there's something wrong with you. You're a weakling, you're a failure you remain. I just wonder why those organic nations, the way a lot of poor churches, they associate themselves with you. Because, if I may say, they don't say you are empty, they will use you. They swore to get traffic flow to their page. You're just inconsequential. You have no importance when it comes to intellectual gathering, when it comes to men of meaningful understanding, sitting to share ideas together. You can never be there. We don't grow past this your level you be. Not this level, 1855 level. Now you there, Atiti. 1855 level, now you be. Just sit down, kitchen, cook your egg, a break. What is all that all about? At this generation where children don't grow, children say don't smart past their parents, where they get PhD. What are you selling to those? The old generation Prophet Atiti. What you decide to those? Juju? Brainwash central? Now you find past, now you stand out, you define woman. You know we're not even good, you not rich. Now you define woman of class. I bet you that they fool you. That they fool you. If you know so they fool you. In reality, you're not just it. Let me tell you the facts. I'm not put total for my talk. I feel like all they shout like Mumu. I'm not holding brief equally for John Ibizugbe. Ibizugbe, put your own self right. Stop crying for people money. Stop crying for stars. Go and face your work. Face your life. Stars. Siba. Give me 1,000 stars. I want fight. I want go do this one. I want use one person build page. Boy, Ibizugbe, wake up. Wake up. Now they project Edo in a better form. I must tell two of una. Ibizugbe and Atiti, two of una. Now they project Edo in a positive form or positive wise, if I may use them, vice versa. From Victor don't do you don't cheat now. We not hear a voice. Two of una the constitution that users. Who do now? Is this right? You don't tell una so una be mumu. No una say una be mumu. Saga. They projected do negative to the world. The next minute, your dear she, and I come Pete Lolo. Ibizugbe, what is that all about? So shameful. I'm seriously ashamed of two of you. Seriously ashamed of two of you. Make una fight una battle. Even na son, I want kill na papa and mama. No not kill na papa and mama. Make una kill na papa and mama. But to me, it's not right. Fight your dirty battle. Stop bringing parents into it, relations into it, brothers into it, sisters into it, and Facebook friends into it. This thing I usually do, I think I can't tell off and say, it's not right. It is absolutely not right. Jonathan Goodluck say it is not correct. It is not right. Not just the show how low level thinking to often be. Stars, Facebook not bring madness. Before Facebook, we were living. After Facebook, one day you go see say this app will just break down. All of them will just confused. No one will know when I want to start. Now app, now people think a day will come, the app might have some dysfunctional whatever. All of them just sit down. They get start. You no go think say this whole thing get a greater repercussion in the nearest future. Look at all actual videos of 5 years, 6 years ago they come out. All the alpacas with the first cause actuary, all the bush lions, the first cause actuary, all the Suzuki, the first cause actuary. But today, what are they doing? They are licking the ass of Monica. What does that show? They are not consistent. So you think those history will just die that if those people want get one kind of thing they want to do for world, they are not to be trusted anymore. They can never be trusted when it comes to thing of trust. Say now one office, one better thing they want to do for the world. You will first talk to this person be like this today. You can't change the story, they change the narrative. Then it means you can never be trusted. So whatever you do today, you will get repercussion tomorrow. You can't lie from my head at the waiting no function for my life. You think it will go like that. You will get it back. So that is why we should always live decently, be principled. Whatever you don't want nobody to do to you, don't do it to nobody. That is why you must live freely and be so happy. Your conscience must prick you. Because there's a great philosopher that says that conscience It's like an open wound. It is only truth that can heal it. Utma Danfodio. That's my last message for you tonight. 2 of una go sleep.